Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. I know it's been a while. I want to wish you all a happy new year. Meet my twins Ari and Bree. In this video I am simply going to be demonstrating on how I wash their hair. I wash their hair once a week or once every 2 weeks is sufficient if their hair isn't excessively dirty. Whether you are shampooing or prefer to co-wash, shampooing is just what your child's hair needs to maintain an ultimate hair health. Detangling their hair is the most difficult step in their regime because it can cause a little bit of a discomfort in your child's hair. Gently removing tangles from your child's hair helps you retain length and helps you dodge those nasty single strand knots. Here's how I tackle those stubborn tangles. Here are the products that I will be using in this video. The So Crazy Curl Shampoo. It has great ingredients in it, no sulfate, no parabens. The Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner is good for thick and curly hair. My jojoba oil, Camille Rose Curl Maker, and Curls Blueberry Bliss Leave-In Conditioner. Deep conditioning can be used interchangeable with a regular conditioner. Some choose to deep condition a few times a week. However, I deep condition once or twice per month. Try warming up the conditioner, not too hot though. You don't want to burn your scalp, and apply it to the hair after it has been washed and conditioned. Let it sit for about 15 minutes and rinse. Once their hair is freshly shampooed and I rinse out the conditioner, I go ahead and apply a pH balance leave-in conditioner and a really good oil such as my jojoba oil. It closes the cuticles of your child's hair shaft. This ensures that all the nutrients and moisture that you added during washing and conditioning do not escape. It also leaves your child's hair super soft and alleviates breakage due to dry hair. This is the most funnest part for my girls. I allow them to play while their hair air dry. Before I begin the styling process, I normally let it air dry for about 90 to 95% because I like it to have a little bit of moisture to it. Finally, I proceed in doing a protective hairstyle with a really good moisturizer. Any hairstyle that protects the ends of your hair from breakage and overexposure to harsh elements is considered a protective hairstyle. I do cornrows, braids, twists to help maintain long, healthy hair. If you are styling your little one's hair into a high puff or ponytail, then be mindful of the tension and pulling that these styles put on their edges. Try to switch it up. The styles to give the edges or the hair a break. At night before bed, I put a silk bonnet over their head so they could retain all that moisture. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and comment below.